Linking. When speech is linked, it flows and sounds softer and less disjointed. There are different types of linking, but they all involve the final sound of one word connecting to the first sound of the next word. Linking a consonant to a vowel. When a word ending in a consonant comes before a word beginning with a vowel, English speakers usually link up the two words. When this happens, the final consonant slides into the following vowel. For example, we write get up, but we say get up. Try these phrases, linking the final consonant of the first word to the vowel at the beginning of the second word. Get away. Look over. Live in. In Australia. Green apple. Set up. Linking a vowel sound to a vowel sound. Sometimes a word which ends in a vowel sound is followed by another word that begins with a vowel sound. In this case, an extra sound is inserted between the words to make the link easier to pronounce. This can be w, y, or r. Practice these links. W. Do I? Go out. No ink. Y. Way up. Be aware. I am. R. Where is it? There isn't. Mother and father.